Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 35 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 35, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be an impressive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 35 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party stopped on a couple different occasions right up there at 44 cents. So 44 cents will be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. And then if the price can break up through there, as you see, then there's a whole lot of room to run. Basically, up there at 44 is a blue sky breakout because of that gap down a few weeks ago. It just created a whole big old space up here between areas of resistance. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying if 44 cents is broken, it's going up there to close the gap at $1.10. My point is that there's quite a bit of potential there for the price to continue to get some good, strong movement. So definitely a great way to start off the week. Great volume, great price movement. Now the question just becomes, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.